Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to my tutorials channel Fiber Crest. Today I am going to show you how to install and configure Windows 11 Professional OS from a bootable drive. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the tutorial. To boot the OS from USB or optical drive, go to BIOS setup, set boot sequence first priority as optical or removable drive. Save the BIOS setup. Insert the media contained Windows 11 OS through respective CD, DVD or USB drive. Then restart your machine. Now restarting my PC. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Now choosing my language as English, you can choose your respective language and then click Next. Click Install now. It will check for the prerequisites your machine should have to begin the Windows OS installation. Starting the setup, tick on I accept the license terms, click Next. I am choosing the custom install option. It shows all available drives in my PC so that I can install the OS on any of my preferred drive. You can select your desired drive to install the OS and format the drive before clicking Next button. I have chosen A drive to install the OS. For now, I skipped formatting my drive because I already have some necessary files on it. So, before formatting, check you don't have any necessary files on your drive. Otherwise, you will lose your valuable data after formatting the drive. Installing Windows, copying Windows files and finishing up the installation process. It will require some time to finish the process. After finishing up the installation, machine restarts automatically. Otherwise, you can press Restart Now button also. Avoid pressing any key so that PC can boot from installed OS in the hard drive. Now you can remove the installation media from CD, DVD or USB drive also. Getting ready. Choosing Windows 11 to start. Showing just a moment. Now it is time to configure Windows 11 in your machine. So choose right country or region. I am selecting my country. Choose right keyboard layout. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip for now. Now checking for updates, it may take some time to get the things ready for you. Machine may restart automatically during the process. Avoid pressing any key. Choosing Windows 11 to start. In the background, Windows is getting configured on your machine, so be patient and watch the video until the process finishes. Reviewing the license agreement. Click Accept to continue. Give a name of your PC so that it can be recognized within a network. I am giving my PC name. You can set it afterward also. Click Next to continue. Restarting the machine automatically. Avoid pressing any key so that PC can boot from installed OS in the hard drive. You can set up for personal use using your Microsoft account or set up your PC for work or school. I have chosen setup for work or school, then pressed Next. Clicking Sign in options, select Domain Join instead. Enter username for the PC. Enter credentials. Fill up to 3 security questions. Now choose private settings for your device. You can set it afterward also. Press Accept. Windows is getting configured on your machine. Done. OS installed successfully. You have successfully installed Windows 11 Professional Operating System. Let's check the installed OS version. Go Start, Settings, then System Properties. Here OS edition is showing Windows 11 Pro. So we have successfully done Windows 11 Professional Operating System installation and configuration from a bootable drive. I hope you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.